Irwin's Bakery's been about for 102 years. We're now in our fourth generation. We started in Portadown in Northern Ireland, in a grocery shop, my grandfather, and things went well, and they grew from there.
One of our strengths as Northern Ireland's largest independent plant bakery is our range of products. With that range of products, we have to have a high level of flexibility. We will throughout the day find ourselves changing from one shape of product, one recipe of product, to a different recipe, different shape, different packaging, different type of packaging. And we find that Domino were able to meet those requirements with swift changeovers that were easily implementable by our operators. The kind of information we print onto the products is primarily the best before date. Also, it's essential that we have complete traceability, and for that reason we print a Julian code on, which indicates to us the day of production. It became apparent to us that within the next 1 to 2 years, the current capability of our printing equipment was likely to reach the end of its useful life. So we decided to proactively begin a tendering process to ensure that we were retaining 100% world-class printing standards. There were a number of factors that we needed to take into account during that tendering process: reliability, versatility, value for money, as well as engineering support. We run a number of our lines at fairly high speeds, between 50 and 60 packs per minute. So we need to know that there is absolute consistency. Consistency, legibility, accuracy, those are very important to us. They are prerequisites. And it was as we worked our way through all of those key parameters that we then decided that we would stay with Domino and Codico.
Codico have been working with Domino since 1988. Started with one printer, and we've now have in excess of 20 units on site. Domino's V230i only uses electric, so we've taken the air out of the equation. Air is not stable in factory conditions, so now we have a stable printer from first print to last print.
So we think we've picked the right machinery, best machinery to meet the needs of the future. We're able to program them, get the speeds, get the quality of print.
Ultimately, the reason for us picking Domino was their proven reliability, supported by a global organisation. We believed that they would be even more consistent with the next generation printers, and we're delighted that that has turned out to be the case.